Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create an image reflection. It's gonna look a little bit like this. Mm, Easy, so easy to create. Add your image to slide list here and double click. Be sure that you are in the layer setting here, not in adjustment or effects. Change or resize your image to the size that you prefer. In this case, I am going to choose 61%. Uh, Double click here and duplicate the image. Click on the image with your right mouse, choose rename. I am going to rename it to reflection. You can rename it to whatever. Now I'm going to move to adjustments layer. Opacity here, choose 30. Be sure that reflection image is selected. Opacity 30 and click horizontal like this. Move to effects and the first keyframe selected, not the second, and the first. Go to rotate smooth here and choose right 180. Rotate center, here's the second one, choose 50. And let's play it to see. Good, we are on the right way. What we are going to do, we are going to copy all options or animation from here to here. Copy to the next frame. Back to the layer setting, click with the right and choose masking layer, add guardians. Here guardian type is linear. Resolution, here we are going to change it to 200. Here choose to write 270 and hit OK. And just move it down on the reflection image like this. Let's play to see a little bit. That's it.